Welcome back to Archetype Origins. Today we're looking at something that feels very familiar, but also very new. I'm sure you guys already know the Phanteks Evolv X2. We have built a ton of system using the Evolv X2 in the past, so we're extremely familiar with the layout, the airflow design, and the overall build experience. But this is the Phanteks Evolv X2 Matrix, and this is kind of like an upgraded evolution of that platform. At first glance, it still looks like an Evolv X2. You get the same floating chassis design, the same clean glass presentation, but once it turns on, that is when everything changes. Hidden behind the fabric interior is a 900 LED matrix screen, and when it lights up, it immediately becomes the focal point of the entire build. This is not just RGB lighting, this is functional information. Live system stats, time, animations, all displayed directly on the case. The Evolv X2 Matrix is designed to present your hardware with style. The entire chassis floats above its base, pulling in air from all directions, guiding airflow vertically along the GPU and CPU, and exhausting the heat straight through the top. Because of that floating design, bottom intake airflow is completely unrestricted, which is especially important for high-powered GPUs. One thing Phanteks does really well here is keeping everything visually clean. All fans and radiator, including the rear exhaust, are fully integrated, so nothing interrupts interior, nothing feels bolted on, everything sits flush. There's also a large cover door that hides all the cables and support for ATX rear connect motherboards, including MSI Project Zero and Asus BTI motherboard that we're using here. This makes cable management a lot easier, and it also gives you a cleaner look to better complement the entire case. From an aesthetic standpoint, this is easily one of the cleanest mid-towers Phanteks has ever made. You also get integrated the RGB light strips at the top and at the bottom, accenting the aluminum interior without overpowering it. Now, I think a lot of you guys probably already noticed this. The original Phanteks Evolv X2 comes with brushed aluminum panels. However, in the Matrix version, they replaced that with mesh panels. It definitely adds a level of special touch to the overall aesthetic of the case. And to me, I feel like it's more of a display piece now. Cooling wise, the layout is very similar to the Phanteks Evolv X2 as well. You get triple 120mm fan positions in the bottom for intake, triple 120mm fan positions in the top with dedicated 360mm radiator clearance for exhaust, plus a rear 120mm fan for exhaust as well. 7 fans position total and a very straightforward airflow path. Building inside this case feels natural. Everything makes sense, clearances are generous, and the layout is builder friendly as well. But again, the real difference here is the matrix. Once the system powers on, the matrix screen wakes up smoothly. No flicker, no lag. You can see the CPU temperatures, GPU temperatures, system stats, and time all updating in real life. From across the room, it kind of looks like an animated art. Up close, it is real data. And this is where the NEXLINQ software comes in. NEXLINQ is the software that drives the matrix. Now, let us spend some time talking about the NEXLINQ software, because this is what actually unlocks the matrix experience. Once you open the software, the interface is immediately very straightforward. Nothing feels overwhelming, and everything is laid out in a way that makes sense. On the left side, you are greeted with a system dashboard that gives you a live overview of your PC, including CPU and GPU temperature. It is the kind of information you usually have to dig for, but here it is always visible and always updating in real time. On the right side, you have 3 main control sections: fan control, lighting control, and screen control. For this build, screen control is where most magic happens. Once you click into the screen control tab, the layout is divided into 4 main sections. In the top left, you get a live preview of what the matrix LED panel will look like. Any change you make, you see it instantly here before sending it to the case. In the top right, you have the layout library. This is where you choose how information is structured, whether that is system stats, media, text, or a combination of anything. That makes it easy to experiment without starting from scratch. In the bottom left, you have widget settings. This is where you fine-tune everything: text style, LED colors, animation speed, brightness, and behavior. This is also where you control things like animation pacing and how dynamic you want the panel to feel. Then in the bottom right, you have the widget library. This is where you actually choose what goes onto the matrix panel. Time and date widgets. System data like CPU and GPU temperatures, media widgets, and creator widgets for custom designs and animations. One really nice touch here is profile support. If you dial in a layout you really like, you can save it as profile. You get up to 10 profiles total. That means you can switch between different layouts without having to rebuild anything. One profile for gaming, one for work, one just for aesthetic. And once everything looks the way you want, you simply hit send to the screen. The layout is instantly pushed to the matrix panel and it shows up on the mesh exactly as previewed. No delay, no syncing issue, it just works. This is the kind of software experience that makes the hardware feel intentional instead of gimmicky. And that is really what separates Matrix from typical RGB cases. And one of the biggest advantages here is how lightweight it is. Not those kind of lightweight. Running in the background, it only uses 1% CPU with extremely low usage spikes, which is honestly impressive compared to most RGB and display. Now, alongside the Evolv X2 Matrix, there is also the Evolv Matrix, which comes as a full matrix version as well. And if you already own the Evolv or a G400A, Phanteks also offer the Matrix upgrade kit, which convert those cases into a matrix version. One important thing to note though, the Phanteks Evolv X2 does not have a Matrix upgrade kit. If you want the Matrix experience here, you do have to buy the Evolv X2 Matrix specifically. The Evolv X2 Matrix comes in charcoal black and gray white, priced at $199.99 as of the recording of this video. Considering the materials, the cooling design, the 900 LED matrix screen, and the NEXLINQ software integration, which is extremely easy to use, this feels like a refined evolution of a already solid case. If you like the Phanteks Evolv X2 before, this is that. Just level up. Now, I'll link all the Matrix product down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And let us know how would you set up your Matrix display, whether it will be stats, clock, branding, or the cat. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.